In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sync in Microsoft Edge. If you use Edge across multiple devices, sync keeps things like your favorites, passwords, and browsing history consistent everywhere you're signed in. That can be convenient, but there are times when you may want to limit what's shared or pause it altogether, especially on a shared computer, a work machine, or when you're troubleshooting. Let's walk through how to turn it off, step by step, and I'll point out a few tips along the way. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is up, look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. Click those three dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where all of your browser preferences live. Inside Settings, check the left-hand sidebar and select Profiles. Profiles let you keep separate browsing environments, like personal and work, so it's helpful to know where you are. Within Profiles, click Sync. This page shows everything that can be synchronized with your account. Here, you'll see individual options you can control. To stop syncing specific items, toggle the switches to Off for the categories you don't want to share. For example, you can turn off favorites if you don't want bookmarks to move between devices, turn off passwords if you prefer to keep them local, or turn off history to prevent past browsing activity from syncing. You might also see options for open tabs, extensions, collections, and settings. Turning a switch off tells Edge to stop uploading and downloading that category from your account. A quick tip: turning a category off stops future syncing. The data already saved in your browser stays on your current device, and data previously synced to your account may remain available on other devices until you adjust those as well. If you're doing this for privacy on a shared computer, double-check each category you care about and repeat the change on any other device where you're signed in. If you want to stop all syncing for this profile in one move, look near your profile picture and select Sign Out. This disconnects the profile from your Microsoft account, effectively stopping sync across the board for that profile. Your local browsing data remains on the current device, and you can sign in again later to re-enable sync when you're ready. If you use multiple profiles, you'll manage sync separately in each one. That's it. Open Edge, go to Settings, Profiles, then Sync, and toggle off what you don't want, or sign out to stop syncing entirely.